In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this character sheet image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use cycles with 768 by 768 resolution without the denoise and composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. We need to use an orthographic camera for this project. I have used a scaled cube with 2 array modifiers to create this mesh. Please render this image and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Let's create a depth map, save it, and import it. Here are the results. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.